50 feet of raw potential. Going up to the penthouse. So many buttons. Best view in the world, though. Open wide. Here comes the homeowner. Hello? It's an aluminum cathedral. Everything must go. Total good job. Don't look down, Elena. Just check the roof. Washing out the war machine! Woo! Washing out the war machine! You and me, big guy. We're gonna build something amazing. Tough skin! Built to take bullets, not windows! No straight lines in a helicopter. Curves only. It's snowing in here. Gotta make it flat before we make it pretty. This hallway goes on forever. Yeah. Private zone there, party zone here. Flex with the curve. Catch the sun from all angles. And don't break. Sorry, Captain. I need the legroom. My own private runway. Best seat in the house, literally. Longest kitchen I've ever built. A chef's runway. Tracing the bell of the beast. Please stow your carry-on luggage. Sleep high, store low. Stargazing mode activated. Cooking dinner in a churrasco in a Chinook. Surreal. No corners in here. Everything flows. Tile by tile. Rainfall in the mountains. Space-age toilet for a flying machine. This thing has a lot of surface area. The famous hellhole. Let's make it beautiful. Don't crack. Please don't crack. Office with a view? Understatement. Systems check. Lights on. Breathing life into the metal. For the brave guests only. Just hanging out.
Hold tight, old girl. You've seen worse. Good morning, Titan.
Keep it authentic. Safety yellow.
From War Machine to Peace Palace.
Welcome to the longest living room in the world.
A home that touches the sky. To new heights. Cheers.